You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, especially around biblical names. Azariah. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Azariah or Azariah or Azariah as well? How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Most common pronunciation in English, Azariah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.